Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Oildraulic traditional from the 80s or maybe late 70s. It's dark. It has like a side COB. That's interesting. And here's there. Garage. Here we have our garage maybe. Here, G. I got the camera light correct because it's much darker in person. You guys are into a parking garage. I wonder if you need a key to call. Yep, you do need a key to call. It's like a custom key. Up to 3. There you go. Everything except 2 actually in here, 3. I think it's another one of the first ones. Certificate, there's no permit number. It's a nice and basic like brass colored pattern cab. There's the Dover Oildraulic in here. There's interesting light fixtures. Non-ADA phone. Airbag of 1. I know that's what I saw before. That's gonna be it.